outer shell and a high internal density. Peanut, higher fat content but tough outer shield, may be prone to ignition.
Whoa. We're getting ahead of ourselves, buddy. Let's go back to how it all started. Yo, this week I'm gonna do something a little bit different, and that is cutting up these nuts here that I bought. I ate them, I decided I didn't like them, and now I'm going to do the only rational thing a 27-year-old can do in this position, which is cut them with a industry-level CO2 laser. Normally nuts are tough to crack, there's even a saying about it, but we're gonna see if they're gonna be able to hold their own versus this bad boy. A Series 3000 solar-powered, illegally smuggled, no, I'm just kidding, a CO2 laser with a 3000 degree point temperature focused on an area as small as a grain of salt. I personally have no expectations because I don't think these nuts are going to make it even past 50% power, but if you're ever in a situation where you have to build an armor against the guy with a laser and all you got laying around is nuts, then this is the video for you. So how are we going to do this?
Round 1. The laser is set at 33%, passing over the nuts 2 times. Round 2. All survivors get ready to face the beast a second time, but at 66%. Round 3. Whoever's left enters the arena once more to determine the winner at 99% power. Round 4. Last man standing. And the contestants. Almond, a front runner with a rough outer shell and a high internal density. Peanut, higher fat content but tough outer shield, may be prone to ignition. Brazil nut, high oil content but his high density might give him the edge. Pecan, soft texture but complex outer defenses, dangerously high fat content. Hazelnut, smaller in size but most delicious. Cashew, low density and chars easily, notorious for bribing judges. Sunflower, low density and may explode. Strategy might involve evasive maneuvers.
So let's go how through it works. So basically there's a tiny mirror in there you can see that redirects the laser. That's the first place that the laser is actually redirected. It's generated in the back there. Can't really show you because I would have to open the laser. But once it's generated, the beam goes through there, it gets redirected at 45 degrees, and then it comes to this little guy, who is also a mirror, and we get redirected again. The laser travels here, the beam travels this length, and then it goes into this little guy, and then that brings it to our working organ. Let's see if we can see it better. There we go. So it goes down there. So basically what happens is it travels this whole distance from there to there to there to there. So this, you gotta be really careful with shooting this thing. If you put your hand in this place or in here, it's basically the same as having it down here. We gotta be pretty careful with this, and I'm already using it in a dumb way, but you know, I gotta have fun too, okay? The whole thing runs on water cooling using a pump and a bucket of cold water. The smoke is handled by this ventilation tube, which I suspect won't be enough for the setup I'm going for today. Any which way I looked at it, I'm probably going to need a very decent ventilation, which I don't have. So I'm very much putting my health on the line on this one. At the end of the day, if it's nut smoke that kills me, and if it's self-inflicted as well, I guess I had it coming. I guess I'll just have to live with that. Or not. On the sunflower seeds, they might even combust, which I'm kind of looking forward to, but I think it's probably unlikely. But let's get started. Okay, so these are our contenders. We're gonna do some test runs, and we're gonna see how we should shoot this and how we're gonna line them up. And if you can see that, we're just gonna line them up. Let's do 3, and let's see if the laser is gonna be able to cut them. Actually, I'm gonna put them more this way. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's about to get real. Oh, Jesus, alright. Okay, well, this placement I think is... Oh my god, dude. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Oh my, I just burned myself with the laser. Jesus. Oh my fucking hand hurts. Christ. Jesus Christ. All right, let's do it. So far, they're holding up. Almond next. Everybody's alive. Brazil nut. Wow. Damn. Damn, okay. Oh, and the sunflower, it's running away. It's running away. It ran away. Oh my god, you evaded capture. Oh, it's coming back now. Let's see what we got here. Second pass. Hazelnut survives. We got Brazil nut. Survives as well. Wow, these nuts are tough to crack. Oh my god. Almond survives. And pecan survives as well. Peanut survives. Oh wow, are we gonna have a full... Yep, everybody goes on to the next round. Damn. Except this guy, who just completely just ran away. We're gonna run separate tests on you, don't worry about that. Okay, we're going up. We're going up to 66%. Oh wow, you guys are not having a good time, are you? If you move again, I am so gonna make just a separate video on you. Let's check it out. Cashew survives. Unbelievable. Round 2, peanut is still going. Pecan. Oh my god. This is smoking like hell, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my goodness. This is straight up gonna set my room on fire. Okay, Brazil nut. Jesus. That's a terrible amount of smoke going in my lungs. We got this guy, this fucking guy, look at this. Okay, how am I supposed to work like this? This is ridiculous. Okay, second pass. Let's see. Hazelnut survives. Brazil nut also survives. Let's see, almonds. Jesus. Pecan, oh my god, this is like unwatchable. Holy shit, it's so bright. I should be wearing goggles for this. And cashew. Nice. Okay, let's see the results. Oh my god, hazelnut actually... No, it didn't crack. Okay. It's so close to cracking, but it didn't. I got Brazil nut. Again, very close to cracking, but no visible cut through. Okay, let's see. Almonds. Oh wow. It's barely hanging on. I don't know if you can see this. Just barely hanging on. Christ. Alright, next up. Pecans. Pecan is also holding up. These are all on the edge, literally teetering. Look at this. It almost cut through it. All of these guys. Okay, what do we got for peanut? Okay, peanut just basically fell apart. All right, we got our first victim. Round 2, peanut disqualified. And our last contender, cashew. What do we got? Cashew is also just failed on pickup. So cashew is also going in the defeated pile right here. Unofficial defeated pile. And now we're going to 99%. Let it be known. Okay, we already got a lot of damage on the board, but we're gonna try 99. Let's see. So for this one, we're gonna do only the winners from the last round. So round 2, we got pecan going strong. We chose a new pecan to see if 100 is going to be able to cut through it with no previous damage. We have our Brazil nut, my personal favorite to win this competition, looking strong as ever. The most densest nut of all that we have going on. We have almond. Very dense, very delicious, and very about to be destroyed. And then hazelnut. I'm honestly surprised this guy's still in the competition, but yeah. And for this little cheater, sunflower, we're gonna just do a separate round at 100, 33, and 66 just for you. Okay, you're not going anywhere. Okay, and an honorable mention to the fallen cashew and peanut. They will not be remembered. I have already eaten them. Let's move along. And for this one, we're busting out the 100mm lens with all the cool zooms. Better know what's coming. It's a laser, that's what's coming. Okay, anyways. Round 3, 99%. This is gonna be the smokiest round yet. Let's see what happens. Oh my. Okay, pecan survives line 1. Jesus Christ. This is so loud. Holy shit. Brazil nut survives. Let's see, hazelnut. Okay. And now we do have the second pass, so don't get too comfortable yet, folks. Let's see what happens. Jesus. Alright, hazelnut. We'll check later. Brazil nut. Doesn't split. Let's see, what about almond? Oh, almond took some damage. I think it split. What about pecan? Wow, okay. Let's check it out. Let's see what happened, guys. Oh, we still have some. The ghosts of peanut and cashew are getting cut as well. Okay, let's see what happens. Pecan is cut. Pecan is down. 99%. We already seen casualties. Let's see. Next up, almond. We got a clean nut. We did not cut through. It almost did, as you can see. We're so close to cutting through, but technically it didn't. It's like millimeters away. All right, almond survives. Okay, let's see Brazil. What do we got for Brazil? Brazil, sadly, did not make it. Brazil has not made it. Let's move along. What do we got? Hazelnut. Let's check the hazelnut. Surprisingly, also survives. My lens focus doesn't, but this guy does. Wow, look at this. Also just a few centimeters. Can you stop? Also just a few millimeters, and this one would have been cut through as well. So it's probably a combination from what I can see. You can't be too oily, because this is what happened to our Brazil nut. It got cracked. It just cracked under the pressure. You can't lack density too much, because this is what happened to pecan. It's gone. Okay, all we got left is almond and hazelnut, and we're gonna see which one takes the cake. And don't think I've forgotten about you, sunflower, because you're getting your own specific custom-built torture chamber. Okay, for the final exercise, we got almond and hazelnut. We're gonna actually raise the power to 100, which is not really super safe with the laser, but let's just see what happens. Okay, 99.9, the ultimate test, and let's check it out. These guys are not happy right now. I think they're already sweating. Almond looks a little concerned, maybe not as much. It already withstood all 3 rounds. Oh my god, the laser is hungry right now. And let's see what we got. Jesus. Alright, almond did not split. First pass. We got hazelnut. Hazelnut also. It just smokes so much. It's so fascinating. Okay, now second pass. It's coming in. Jesus, okay. We're not seeing any splittage, but we're not done yet. Still have to check at the end. An almond. Second pass. Did we get a split? Alright, let's see. Hazelnut. We got no splittage.
Hazelnut is still alive. Okay, great. And now let's check almond. Almond has split. Almond really almost made it, but it didn't. Damn, dude. Alright, well, we got a winner, and it's hazelnut. I would have not thought that this would be the outcome of this little experiment, but hazelnut, turns out, is the toughest nut to crack. And now for a bonus round, this guy needs to get it as well. Their whole little family here of cute little sunflower seeds. It's not all gonna get blown away, I hope not. You know what? You guys are just getting 100, I don't care. All right, oh, they're scared, they're very scared. Oh geez, yep, it's carnage. I'm sorry, it's carnage. You guys are gone, you're done. And here's this guy escaped, okay. Oh, second line. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, it's not pretty. Oh boy, it's not pretty. Jesus, it smells great in here, by the way, guys. Okay, let's see what happened. We have... Yep, we have a solid cut through at least 2 of these sunflower seeds. Not pretty, not a pretty picture, but they did insist to be in with the big boys in the big leagues, so I guess that's what you get. Our own mini murder spree of nuts, and we have a winner. It's not you though.